Welcome to EcoPlants. In today's video, we will show you how to grow lots of chilies at home in pot, grow bag or your small garden palace. Chilies are one of the easiest vegetable to grow and give continuously harvest for many months. Why grow chilies at home? Because grow well in pot and small space, very low maintenance and produce a high number of fruits, fresh, chemical free chilies anytime. Add beauty to your kitchen garden. What you need for grow? Good quality chili seed or a healthy chili sapling. Pot or grow bag like 8 to 10 inch deep, well draining soil, compost or cow dung manure, watering can and a sunny spot like 6 to 8 hours sunlight of daily need for chili plant better growth and more harvesting. How to grow chili step by step? The first step is starting from seeds. It's optional. You can take seeds or sapling both. Soak chili seed in water for 6 to 8 hours for better germination. Sow seed 1 to half inch deep in seed tray or a small pot. Germination takes 7 to 10 days. Transplant the seedling when they are almost 4 to 5 inch tall, or use a ready to plant chili sapling from a nursery. And step second is prepare the pot and soil. Use a pot with proper drainage holes and soil. Mix is 50% garden soil plus 30% compost plus 20% cocopeat or sand. Fill the pot and loosen the top soil. Step third is planting. Space the sapling in the center of the pot. Fill around with soil and fresh gently water well after planting. Best time to planting spring to early monsoon like February to July, and need full sunlight at least 6 to 8 hours of daily. Keep in warm and sunny location. Water when the top soil feel dry. Do not overwater chili root at wet soil. In summer, water daily or every alternate day. Chili plant growth stage. First week germination if grown from seeds, and second to fourth week is seedling grow stronger, and 6 to 8 week flowering begin. After flowering chili start forming, and 60 to 80 days ready to harvest chili. Care and maintenance: add compost every 20 to 30 days. Prune top leaf to make the plant busher. Use neem spray to control aphids or white flies. Add support if the plant become tall, and remove dry or yellow leaves regularly. When to harvest chilies? Harvest when chili turn green, red, or their final color depending on varieties. And use scissor to cut. Don't pull the fruit. And harvest regularly to encourage more production. The same plant can give chilies for 4 to 6 months or more. Some bonus tips for you: use different pot to grow both spicy and mild variety. Save seeds for ripe chili to grow again. Dry extra chili for long term storage. Companion plant with basil or garlic to avoid pest. Chilies are fun, fast, and productive plant for your home garden. With just a one plant, you can enjoy a week of fresh, flavorful chilies from your balcony, terrace, grow bag, or backyard palace. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe to EcoPlant for more easy gardening tips. Thank you for watching and happy gardening. See you in next video.